So if you're watching this video, it means you likely just purchased a locking latch kit, which means you probably already own a Rugged Road cooler, which means I owe you a thank you. What we wanted to do today is take a little bit of time, there's a lot of different pieces here with this kit, and just quickly walk through them and then show you how to attach it. So the first two pieces are going to be your backplate piece and your receiving piece for the locking latch. Those are going to go behind right here. And the next two is going to be the conversion piece, this plastic piece here, and then the locking latch itself. And then you're going to have two L keys, one larger, one smaller. The smaller is going to be to remove the back screws on this plate, and the larger one is going to be remove these 4 screws here. If you're like me and you like to do things quickly, you can also use a T25 bit from a local hardware store. And then you're also going to get one lock and then a couple screws if you need those to replace.